welcome back to our MS YouTube channel. Yes, priorly we have seen the poem 2, Teamwork, right? Teamwork. So I hope you all have understood that poem. And today in this video we will see the chapter number 2, Flying Together. Flying Together. What do you mean by flying together? We will see. This chapter is written by Shiv Kumar, and this is one of the Panchatantra story. Yeah, students, Panchatantra story. It priorly when you were very much young, आप अभी भी छोटे ही हो, you are not that much of big, but when we were small, at that time we have listened about the Panchatantra story, right? We have listened about the Panchatantra story. What is a Panchatantra? The stories about the lion and rabbit, the deers and the tigers, that type of stories, crow and the thirsty crow, many types of stories were there in the Panchatantra. So one of them, that is a story about. And in that Panchatantra story, the chapter's name was A Wise Old Bird. A wise old bird. Wise means clever. Wise means clever, to show your cleverness. Right? So here we will see in the chapter Flying Together. So let's start it. What is the chapter about, students? That here there was a deep forest. Yes, was a deep forest. In that a very tall tree. A very tall tree was there. There was a leafy branches, right, and spread out like a strong arms. Right, their branches were like a big arms, like our hands. Right, their branches was like a arms. So there lives a birds, a flock of birds. Yeah, we use the collective noun flock for the birds. Right? Yes, we use the noun for the word birds, flock. What we use? Flock of wild geese birds. They were living, the wild geese birds, on the top of the tree. They were living. Right? So they felt safe there. Right? They were feeling safe while living there. So one of them, there was a wise old geese bird. One of them, there was a wise geese bird, a young, very older bird, were living there. So there, at the root of the tree, he noticed something. He noticed means he saw something, that there was a creeper. Yeah. Now one question will come in your mind, students, that what is a creeper, ma'am? Creeper means a small shoot which grows like a wave, and it's wind above the trees. It's wind the whole tree. It's जकड़ लेता है पूरी ट्री को, वो जकड़ लेता है. That is a creeper, a small shoot of tree. Right? So there he spoke to the other birds about it. He also showed that creeper to the other birds. Right? So do you see that creeper? The wise old bird told. What the wise old bird told? That do you see that creeper? Right. So let's destroy it. What is telling? Let's destroy it. But in others bird's mind, the question comes, why he is telling, that wise old bird is telling to destroy it? Right. So why? He asked the geese in the surprise. All the birds asked that what harm it is been doing to us. The other birds are asking to the wise old bird that वो हमें क्या नुकसान पहुंचा रहा है? What harm he is doing to us? The wise bird, the other birds told to the other birds, right? So what it's telling, that now the wise old bird is telling to that it will grow soon, right? So creeper is like that. It grows soon and make a wave, and it becomes stronger as a rope. It becomes stronger as a rope and being a thick and strong things. So other birds are telling, what of that use? So what's that use? What harm can the creeper do us? क्या कर सकता है creeper हमें? क्या नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है हमें? So what's now the wise old bird is telling that don't you see, with the help of that creeper, so with the help of that creeper, उसकी creeper के help से it will be possible for the hunter to climb up the tree and can kill us. वो hunter जो शिकारी होता है उसको वो पकड़ के उसके हेल्प से वो क्लाइंब कर सकता है, चढ़ सकता है ट्री पे, और वो हमें नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. Yes. So what harm can it can do? It can harm us, right? It can harm us through it. The hunter can kill us, right? So now what? Well, there is a no hurry, they replied. In the next page it is given, well, there is no hurry. The other birds, it is very small, it would be pity to destroy it now. So other birds are telling that वो तो अभी बहुत छोटा है, क्रेपर तो बहुत छोटा है, राइट? उस पर बहुत पिटी मीन स्टूडेंट्स टू शो द सिंपैथी, दया दिखानी किसी पे, right? So it's telling, the other words are telling, it's very small, what harm it can do us, we are very pity, हमको बहुत दया आ रही है उसको destroy करने में. Destroy, now the what the answer is giving the wise old bird, that destroy the creeper now only, while it will grow younger, it will grow as big as it will become thick. So we should cut it when it is a tender. Now it is a tender, the creeper is very tender, means the creeper is very small, right? It is tender means very soft, as the small child, जब बच्चा जन्म लेता, when the child is born, when a baby is born, that time the baby is very soft, very tender, so we can't harm him or her, right? So like that only the creeper was also very small, so it is very tender, so it can cut easily and it can't harm us. The advice is given by the wise old bird. He advice, suggestion other birds को wise old bird दे रहा था, right? So later, now what the wise old bird is telling to the other birds, that later it will be hard to cut it, so it will be hard to cut it and it will be not able to cut that time, means जब वो hard बन जाएगा, grow हो जाएगा, that time it will become like a rope, वो रस्सी की तरह बन जाएगा, तब बहुत strong हो जाएगा, तब cut करना possible नहीं होगा, right? So now what the reply has been given by the other birds to the wise old bird, that we'll see, हम देखेंगे. They ignored the advice of the wise old bird. What they did, they ignored. वो लोग ने totally ignore कर दिया wise old bird की advice. And they forgot to destroy the creeper. वो लोग भूल गए, वो creeper जब छोटा था उसको destroy करना, वो तब भूल गए. And they also forgot the advice of the wise old bird. वो लोग wise old bird की advice भी भूल गए कि क्या उन्होंने advice किया था. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Right, as the creeper was growing through in a zigzag way on the branches of the tree, that small creeper only, वो जो छोटा creeper था वो winding हो रहा था, ऐसे means zigzag way में grow up हो रहा था till the top of the tree, right? So stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as thick as a rope. वो इतना stronger बन गया, इतना मजबूत हो गया, जब तक वो इतनी मजबूत हो गया रोप के जैसे, कितना रस्सी के जैसे मजबूत हो गया वो एकदम. So one of the morning, all the geese birds went for the search of food, right? एक morning, एक सुबह में सब birds, जो birds थे, when the birds have gone for the search of food, खाने की तलाश में वो लोग गए थे, right? So at that time the hunter came into the forest, right? Who came? The hunter, जो शिकारी था वो forest में आया. So this is where the wild geese birds live. ये कौन बोल रहा है? हंटर ही खुद से बोल रहा है. He is muttering to himself. He is talking to himself. When they will come back in the evening, I shall catch them. उसके माइंड में क्या थिंकिंग चल रहा है? What is telling that जब तक वो इवनिंग को आएंगे, at the evening, शाम को आएंगे, at that time I will catch them easily. So what did the hunter do? The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of that creeper, because it was thick as a rope. वो एकदम रस्सी की तरह टाइट हो गया था, मजबूत हो गया था. So it helped to climb up the tree. The hunter को वो help किया उसने, creeper ने, right? Tree पे climb करना. So he got at the top of the tree. What he did? He got at the top of the tree, and what he did? He spread his net. जो उसके साथ वो जाली, शिकारी जो अपना जाल लेके आया था, the net he had brought, he spread over the top of the tree where the geese birds lived. Then he climbed and went away. उसने वो spread करके वहाँ से वो नीचे उतर गया. He went away. So next evening, in the evening, the geese returned at home. वो जो wild geese birds थे वो लोग घर पे रिटर्न आए. दे रिटर्न द होम बट दे डिड नॉट नोटिस द नेट. उन लोगों ने वो नेट को नोटिस नहीं किया. दे डिड नॉट नोटिस द नेट एंड दे फ्लू अवे द ट्री. दे फ्लू, वहाँ से ट्री पे जाके वो बैठ गए. राइट. एंड दे वेर ट्रैप्ड. वो लोग उस जाल में दे वेर ट्रैप्ड इन द नेट ऑफ दैट हंटर्स. राइट. एंड दे स्ट्रगल्ड वेरी मच टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट नेट. They struggled very much means they have tried very much to move out from that net but they didn't. So they were crying, they were searching for the help. That help cried the geese. The geese were crying for the help. But that we are caught in the hunters net. हम फंस चुके हैं hunters के net में. So anyone help us. Oh, what shall we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Right. So now what the wise old bird is telling that don't make a fuss now. What is telling that अब कोई बहाने करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अब कोई नाटक करने की आप लोगों को ज़रूरत नहीं है. Long ago only I told you to cut that, destroy that creeper until but you didn't. मैंने पहले ही आप लोगों को बोला था कि इस क्रिपर को हम डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते, बट आप लोग किसी ने मेरी एडवाइस सुनी नहीं. यू डिडंट लिसन टू माई एडवाइस. सो नाउ व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड यू कैन सी. सो नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, दे आर टॉकिंग विद ईच ऑफ देम मीन्स एक साथ सब बात कर रहे हैं. व्हाट द नाउ वॉइस ओल्ड बर्ड इज टेलिंग दैट नाउ टुमारो द हंटर विल कम and he can kill us. Now he will kill us to all. Hunter आएगा, अब वो हमें मार के चला जाएगा. Now what the other birds are replying to the wise old bird? That we were foolish. So wept the bird. What is the meaning of a wept, students? Wept means to cry. Wept means to cry. We are very sorry. We didn't listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Now what the other birds are telling to the wise old bird that they are very sorry. They are apologizing to the wise old bird. They are telling हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए, आप हमें अब बताइए. We are very sorry. हमें माफ़ कर दीजिए कि हमने आपकी बात मानी नहीं. Now what the wise old bird is planning for? Then listen carefully. अब मुझे ध्यान से सुनो सब. Replied the wise old bird. When the hunter will come, you must all pretend to be dead. जब hunter आएगा तुम लोगों को ऐसे pretend करना है. You have to pretend. Pretend means to act. ऐसे act करना. You have to show off that you are dead. We all are dead. हम मर चुके हैं सब. You have to act like that. Yes. So the hunter will not want the dead birds, right? तो hunter को तो वो dead birds की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी, कोई काम का नहीं होगा dead birds. So what he will do? He will throw us in the ground. वो क्या करेगा, हम सबको एक के बाद एक ग्राउंड पे फेंक देगा. Then what will be happen? Then it will be easy for us. It will be not easy for him to climb down the tree. वो easy नहीं होगा उसको नीचे उतरना. जब वो ग्राउंड में फेंक देगा हम सबको, it will be not easy for him also to climb to collect that birds, right? And take them home. What? Take them home. Right. Now what will happen? Next page. When the last of us has been thrown down. जब तक हमें लास्ट बर्ड को जब तक वो नीचे नहीं फेंक देता, we must quickly get up and fly away. जब वो लास्ट बर्ड को फेंक देगा तब तक हम वहाँ से उड़ के चले जाएंगे. और हंटर कहाँ पे होगा? हंटर will be at the top of the tree, right? So in the next morning क्या हुआ? Next morning को hunter आया. The hunter came in the forest and he climbed up the tree. What he did? He climbed up the tree through the help of that creeper and he looked geese in the net. उसने क्या देखा? उसका जो net उसने बिछाया था, the net where he has spread, there the birds were in the net. So what did he saw? That they all are dead. He muttered to himself. वो क्या बोल रहा है? वो खुद से ही बात कर रहा है. He is telling to himself only that ये सब तो मर चुके. They all are dead. So what he did? As the wise old bird has decided, like that only the planning was going. वैसे ही जैसे वो बोल रहे थे वैसे ही सब कुछ हो रहा था wise old के जैसे. So he threw them one by one to the ground. वो हंटर क्या कर रहा था, हंटर वॉज थ्रोइंग द बर्ड्स वन बाय वन थ्रू ऑन द ग्राउंड. वो एक के बाद एक बर्ड्स को ग्राउंड में फेंक रहा था. ही वॉज थ्रोइंग एंड द बर्ड्स till until the last one had been thrown down, right? The birds ऐसे ही पड़े रहे जब तक लास्ट बर्ड्स को थ्रो नहीं किया गया, जब तक लास्ट बर्ड को फेंका नहीं गया तब तक, राइट? सो व्हाट दे डिड देन, at once only the all birds flapped their wings and flew away. What they did, they once only flapped their wings and went away, right? So that the hunter was taken by surprise. तो हंटर वहाँ पे शॉक हो गया. वो ऐसे टॉप ऑफ द ट्री में से ऐसे ही देख रहा है, ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ, व्हाट हैपेंड विथ मी. सो he was the geese that all birds have flied away, right? All birds have flied away, right? Now the students, what is the moral of the story? What is the moral? That we should show our wiseness or a cleverness when there is a need, when we can get escape from it. अगर हम किसी से बच सके, किसी से बचना हो, हमारी जान, when we have to get escape for our own, that time we should show the wiseness or cleverness while that time when there is a need. And another thing, that we should listen to the experienced people, जो हमसे बड़े हैं, we should listen to them. By that we can make it that बड़े हैं, उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है, सो उनका एडवाइस भी हमें लेना चाहिए. इट कैन हेल्प अस in our bad times, right students? I hope students you all have understood the chapter 2 flying together. So meet you next time with a new video. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.